Welcome to the Infotech Informer. Today, we are looking at how key industries in New Orleans drive growth and how managed IT services support their goals. The New Orleans-May-Tree metropolitan area continues to expand, with thousands of new jobs expected over the next 2 years. Yet, as Eric Thibodeau, co-founder of Infotech Solutions, points out, every industry has their own set of technological needs, but the right IT partner will be able to meet them and offer new key insights. Port and maritime logistics rely on constant connectivity. Managed IT services help detect network issues early and keep cargo systems running around the clock. Energy producers depend on secure data and fast recovery after outages. Healthcare organizations need strong protection for patient records and support for regulatory requirements. Tourism and hospitality teams use integrated communication tools to keep guests and staff connected during peak travel seasons. Advanced manufacturing benefits from lifecycle tracking and smart hardware planning. Legal firms use strategic IT guidance to align technology decisions with business growth. Each industry has unique demands, yet the right managed IT partner brings structure, insight, and reliable support. To take a closer look at these industries and how they benefit from the right IT partner, read the full article on our website. And be sure to add the Infotech Informer to your Spotify playlist